Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hello friends, I hope you're doing great and absolutely fine. So today I am just going out for a small walk, and just I thought of sharing this with you all along with some gupshup. So chalo, let's go. And see, I'm wearing this mask because we are going out. I have been vaccinated with both the doses, but still safety comes first. Chalo. Basically I had walked down to visit this park. You can see behind me, but the gate is locked. I don't know how these people entered. The kids, they might have jumped off, but I don't want to do that because I have an injured knee. So I found a solution. I'll sit here for some time and yeah, just get that feel that I'm sitting in a park. Actually I just wanted to feel like a kid today. You know, it's always one step at a time. Every step counts. So no matter how long the लाइफ में जो भी प्रॉब्लम है उसके सॉल्यूशंस हमें ऐसे ही निकालने होते हैं, कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव सोल्यूशन निकाल के. एंड रादर दैन बीइंग सैड, you need to find a solution and try to find happiness from it. So yes, life ऐसी ही होती है, हर वक्त प्रॉब्लम होता है and you have to find out the solution for it. It is not easy. You have to gather the strength to find your to solve your own problems and get over it. So you saw how I find out the solution of the problem. I wanted to visit the park but I couldn't, but then I thought of sitting outside it for 10 minutes so that whatever I had planned, I felt the satisfaction. Okay, I went that place and I felt happy. So life में जो भी problem, guys, I am feeling very happy. Even if I didn't enter the park, I am happy. Importantly, I'm happy of the fact that I recorded this. I was hesitant initially, but then I gathered the courage and सोचा कि आप सबके साथ ये शेयर करना है. Even though if I feel awkward, what people will think, लोगों का काम है कहना, उनको कहने. With this, I've reached home. This walk was very beautiful and yeah, the week would be starting on a very good and positive note. I've gathered a lot of positive feelings. Oh, my heart is happy. And yes, if you do like the video, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, like it, comment and share. Take care guys, bye bye, see you in the next video.